Ben with Lakeland Office Systems. In today's video, we are going to be downloading and installing Print Driver for a Sharp MX device. So to start with, we'll need to open up a web browser and go to sharpusa.com. Once we are there, we'll go to Support, and then under Business Product Support, we will click Product Downloads. Now this is an MFP, so under Product Category, we will select MFP. And the product type will be the model number for your machine. In this example, it is an MX2600. So we'll select that. And file type will be drivers. So we'll click search. Now we will need to know if your operating system is a 32-bit operating system or a 64. We are working in a Windows 10 PC. So to figure that out, we'll come down to the Windows icon, right-click, and go to System. Here it does show us we are Windows 10, and system type is 64-bit. If it was a 32-bit, it would say that there, but we are a 64-bit operating system. So we'll close that out, and we will download the 64-bit driver. So it'll take just a couple minutes, and then we'll proceed with the installation. Okay, so we have finished with our download here. We'll open up the folder. And we are looking for the WHQL PCL6 folder. Just double click that. And there's an application inside there that we can simply run. So we'll double click on that and it will start running the application. Now you probably can't see this right now, but it is asking for user account control, and we do want to allow that if you are prompted for it. And we're going to hit next. And we're going to do standard installation. At this point, it's going out onto our local network, and it is finding all the devices that this driver can run. So it'll take just a moment here. You'll see that it did pop up with our Sharp MX2600. Gives you the basic information like the IP address and the MAC address for the machine, but simply just highlight it and hit next. And then we'll hit next once again. And we are going to install the PCL6 driver for this machine. PCL drivers do work with Sharp straight out of the box. If you do want the PostScript driver, before you select that, you do need to make sure that you do have a PostScript expansion kit on your machine, on the Sharp itself, or it will not work. So simply select the PCL6 and it will print for you. So we'll hit next. And we do want to make it our default, so we'll hit next here as well. It'll take it just a moment, and it will install our print driver for us. Okay, we are done with the software being installed. This is a very important part here, though. It also mentions that after the installation, you do want to do the auto configuration on the print driver. The point behind that would be if you had any kind of extra options installed on your machine, like extra cassettes, a large capacity, a finisher, that kind of thing. If you don't do the auto configuration, it will not allow you to use those when you're printing from your computer. So that's what we'll do next here. Get all that. We'll simply go down here to our Windows icon, and we're going to open up our control panel. So go to the Windows icon, right-click, go to Control Panel. Now you may see the categories view like we're seeing here. If you do, simply click on View Devices and Printers. If you see the icon view, then go into Devices and Printers this way. So we're going to do it from Category. We're going to go in Devices and Printers. And our Sharp 2600 here does have a green check mark since we did make it default. So we will right-click on that, and we will go into Printer Properties. Printer Properties, you'll see a Configuration tab off to the right. Simply click on that and click on Auto Configuration. Okay, Auto Configuration will go out and ask the machine what kind of options it has installed on it. As you can see, this one came back showing that we do have 4 trays on it. We do not have a finisher, no right tray, and no large capacity. So just put a dot next to each one of those and click OK, and we'll hit Apply. And go back over to our General tab here and simply do a print test page. At that point, should print out for you, and you should have successfully installed your print driver. Okay, well that concludes this video. Hopefully this will help you install a print driver there on your Windows 10 PC. If you do have any questions or anything, please contact us and we'll see if we can help you. Thank you for watching.